बीओजे बैंक ऑफ जापान के बोर्ड मेंबर सेइची अदिची की स्पीच आ गई है। आज बुधवार को उन्होंने कहा है, चेंजिंग मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी फ्रिक्वेंटली टू स्टेबलाइज एफएक्स मूव्स वुड लीड टू बिग चेंजेस इन रेट मूव्स। इफ इंटरेस्ट रेट मूव्स आर टू बिग, दैट वुड कॉज डिसरप्शन in household and corporate investment. Responding to short-term FX move with monetary policy would affect price stability if excessive yen falls are prolonged and expected to affect achievement of our price target. Responding with monetary policy become an option. It is possible to consider responding with monetary policy if FX move cause big change in inflation expectation. Japanese economy to recovery moderately, although there are some weak signs. Consumption holding steady as a whole, mainly for service spending. Japanese economy not slumping but not in strong shape either, with various uncertainties remaining. BOJ must maintain accommodative financial condition until price goal achieved. We are not yet stage where we are convinced that there is the sustained achievement of price target, so must maintain accommodative condition. We must absolutely avoid rising interest rate prematurely. If we focus too much on downside risk, inflation may accelerate and might force us to tighten monetary rapidly. As a result, by fixing interest rate at current zero levels until inflation is durably at our price target, we might be forced to hike rates rapidly later and therefore risk hurrying economy. We must look not just at downside but upside risk are guiding monetary policy. Important to adjust degree of monetary policy in several stages as long as underlying inflation continue to head toward 2%. At some stage in the future, we will likely reduce our JGB purchases.